Hello YouTube, it's me messing around with baby wipes. I don't know what time it is, but I'm just cleaning some of these jars off because high grade coleslaw salad schwa. I just thought I'd clean them off just for the fun of it. Got a whole bunch of jars here. Where's the little end of this freaking thing? Some of these jars, I don't even know what they say. This is McLaren's. I think this was in a burning building because it has black crap all over it. This one clearly was eaten by the dust monster. Packed for high-grade food products in Montreal. Isn't it? Montreal. Gardeo food. Yeah. This is what some of the dumb shit I do. York make things, make York. A friend of mine dropped off all these jars. There's still a box over there, a bunch of jars. And somebody had a lot of coleslaw and peanut butter back in the day because these are all 1 pound peanut butter jars from a company that doesn't exist anymore. Actually, I think high grade still exists. York. I don't know. I think probably, maybe, who knows? I don't know. No idea. Steinberg's, I know, went out of business. Apparently the family didn't want to take it over, so they just sold it off. But this is an old 1 pound jar of peanut butter by Steinberg's. I think the other one I had said 39 cents. This one was on special. Look at that. Oops. The label. I ripped it off. That one was special. Probably for people today who bitch and complain about everything. Not making fun of other people, but for the people that bitch and complain, yeah, there's the special one. Korsch. Somebody liked coleslaw and peanut butter because they're all mostly coleslaw and peanut butter jars. I have 2 other peanut butter jars I saved. The question is what's in these jars? Well, how long is this video? 2 minutes? I'll try to make it quick. I had a whole box full of a whole pile of shit, which, yummy. But for the first section, I don't want to make a 15-minute video, whatever. Somebody bought a lot of coleslaw, but I took these jars out for a reason. If you want to find out why, keep watching. I'm gonna probably make another video, but you know what? I'll just keep going. What the hell with it? I'll make long videos because I can upload them now. But anyway, I was gonna go on McMaster-Carr and buy some rivets. Well, this one is full of little tiny baby rivets like that. I don't know if you can see it. Here, I'll put it in the dish here. Here you can see. It's full of rivets of that nature. So that one's full of rivets. This one is full of more rivets, which these are aluminum, I think, of all. And if I remember correctly, there's like 20 or 30 rivets. It's not cheap on McMaster. This one is full of, oh, look at this. Some more rivets. These are cool, they're metal. And what else we got here? Let's see. This one is full of, not rivets, but I just thought I'd show you anyway. Remember when you were a kid and thumbtacks used to look like that? Like, these are literally like the horror show of thumbtacks. Like those suckers. You stepped on one of those and you're in big trouble. I had a whole jar of those kind of rivets, which is pretty cool because those I can actually use. I might get in the jar. What else? Another jar full of some more rivets. I mean, I'm guessing if I count them all, there's a couple $100 of rivets here because these little things ain't cheap. There's a bunch of, but I need a nose plug. Anyway, there's an assortment of aluminum ones in there, and I know the aluminum ones are not cheap. There's copper ones. These are airplane. I know these are airplane rivets because I've seen them on the aircraft sites. They have those little recessed things there. See how flat they are? Those are airplanes. I know I was on an aircraft site that you can build your own airplane. Apparently, shit ain't cheap. I gotta build an airplane. This one's full of shit actually, but round and flat rivets. So, if you like rivets, like I do, this one's full of rivets, and I don't know what this is. Somebody's crack file. Oh, wait a minute. It's got a... Oh, look, they're so cute. Look at them. There's like little baby ones. Oh, little children. Rivet children. Oh, so sweet. But anyway, back to the rivets. There's like boatload of these rivets. I probably should like make a little chart for my own reference. Be like, you have any of these? X millimeters long and X millimeters tall. And one more vial of rivets. Looks like they never cleaned the inside out. They just cleaned the jar out. And I got more rivets. 6 minutes of riveting information. Question is you'll probably ask me, what the hell am I going to do with all these rivets? Well, some of them I have no idea what the hell I'm going to do with. Some like maybe these. Some like these. Little suckers right here. I might have a use for it because over here I'm making bar stools. And it's nice to put little decorative rivets in it. So, seeing as I have a couple of hundred here, I think it's like $10 for like 50 of these things. Some of them are even more expensive. And since I have a riveting machine, I might buy a few extra just to practice. But there are some really cool ones. Like I know the copper ones are horribly expensive. I don't think I have a... What do you call it? I don't think I have a machine big enough to even fathom using this one. This is like insane. And yeah, I'm sure there's like rivets the size of these jars, but still too big for me. Too big for me. These are cool. Little machine things. It's like somebody was playing with them. There's a couple broken off. So yeah, that's my plan. Is to use them on my... I have what do you call it, bar stools. And where I got the idea for the bar stool was a friend of mine, same person, sold me a bar stool. And I was like, he's like, can you make one of these? So I tried and I made a pattern. I got the basic structure down pretty good. I'm still trying to figure out how to form the top because the top is a formed sheet pan, kind of like a, I don't know, it's probably stamped. But it looks pretty uneven, so it might be handmade. And I don't have a dimple die set for the top, so I'm going to put a wood top on it. And I'm just, it's got and the other problem with the one, the actual one I bought, is the back of the chair is like super straight. So when you sit on it, it's very uncomfortable. So I just made a straight bar stool with no back, and then after I make one or two and get it all perfected, which I already think I perfected most of the bottom parts already. Screwed up the first prototype, cut it up, and what was I going to say? Yeah, eventually I'll make one with back and maybe one with handrest. But other than that, that's what I plan on doing. So yeah, this is a video about rivets. I hope you liked this. It's just me doing my shit again. If you like it, you like it. You don't, can't help you. So thanks for watching. Yeah.